One of my favourite things to do on the weekend is to catch up with my family and friends and have a delicious cheese platter. So let's show everyone how to make a cool cheese board.
Well, the good news is some of the tools you need are in this two-piece PXE DIY project kit, like an impact driver, a drill driver, a fast charger, and a 4 amp hour battery. We've also included a step-by-step instruction guide and a shopping list for while you're in Bunnings.
And if you want to put some cool edges on the side, you can use a circ saw too. So I'm getting a bit hungry, let's make a cheese platter.
Grab a piece of timber and mark it your desired length. Clamp down the timber to your workbench and adjust the circular saw so a couple of teeth drop just below the depth of the timber.
Once you've adjusted the circ saw, then just cut along the line.
Draw a line from corner to corner. This will help you find the centre. We're going to add some extra dimension to this by cutting the corners off, so decide on an equal distance from the centre to each corner and put a mark there. Using a 45-degree set square, draw lines through 3 of the marks you've just drawn.
We're going to create a bevel on the edge of the cheese board, so you'll need to adjust your circ saw so that the teeth are just coming through the bottom of the timber. Clamp down the timber and cut along the 3 lines.
I know what you're thinking. What about the other corner, right?
Yeah.
Let me show you. With a spade bit, drill a hole all the way through the timber. This will make it easy to carry.
For a smooth finish, give the cheese board a light sand. This will remove any pencil marks or rough edges and then wipe away the dust. Now it's time for us to seal the board so that we can make it safe for food. There are lots of different ways you can do this, so have a chat to your local Bunnings. What we're going to do is use a food-safe oil. That way we can keep the natural look of the timber.
Don't forget to share your DIY creations on our socials.
Are we done?
Yeah?
Great, bye.
We'll see you soon.